This is your Monrovia Library Tech Advisor with a quick antivirus Windows 10 tutorial. You may not realize it, but with Windows 10 you don't need to purchase or download a separate antivirus program. Windows has built-in solutions at hand. Now, if you believe you have a computer virus or simply want to try the program out, first click on your Start menu or press the Windows key on your keyboard. Next, click Settings, and then click on Update and Security. On the left side of the window, click on Windows Security and then click on Virus and Threat Protection. Here you see you will have several options. Quick Scan, as you can guess by its title, does a quick search. But this simple scan may not find a more deeply embedded virus on your computer. To better ensure you don't have a virus, it's best to click on the next button below to reveal more choices. I recommend running a full scan. This will take longer, but you can continue working on the computer while the scan runs in the background. Custom Scan is for those who have a good knowledge of Windows and is seldom used by novices. If the full scan did not detect a virus that has infected your computer, it could be because the virus is loading before Windows starts, making it undetectable. The Windows Defender offline scan searches for these viruses before Windows loads. This option will automatically restart your computer and run the scan. After the scan, Windows will start again as usual. After any of the scans mentioned, repeat initial steps to return to the Virus and Threat Protection window, and then click on Threat History to view your results. If threats are found, they will be quarantined and automatically removed from your computer. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel to be alerted to more of our tutorials as they become available. Thank you.